gonna be a poet, but now I'm an improviser, so.
Terrible poet. I have a lot of Lincoln logs in a dream.
You have the right to remain silent. It's the closest I could get to a real baton.
So please put your hands together and welcome to the stage the Bird Comedy Players! This first game is real simple. It is called The World's Worst. All we need is an occupation. From anybody in the room, what is something that you wanted to be when you were like 7?
Engineer.
Hold on, engineer? When you were 7? Yes. Man, dream big. What was it back here?
Baton twirler. Baton twirler.
Baton twirler? All right.
I like the two different ends of the spectrum.
I know, me too. I really do.
When I was 7, I wanted to be
We're gonna do them both. We're gonna do them both. World's Worst Baton Twirler, go. Oh.
terrible.
I swear, Dad, they're supposed to be lit on fire.
You have the right to remain silent. It's the closest I could get to a real baton.
Pretty bad. All right. Engineer, World's Worst Engineer, go.
Ladies and gentlemen of the board, through my diagrams and hours of hard work, I've drawn my hand as a turkey.
I have a lot of Lincoln logs in a dream.
Yeah, of course I can spell engineer. It'd be weird if I couldn't spell it.
Why did they put me in a train? Oh, engine.
Yeah, but how do I feel about being an engineer? Like, what's my motive for being an engineer?
Worth it.
I think so. All right, what is an occupation that your sibling has?
Poet.
Holy child.
Poet?
Yeah.
Poet, all right. Well, goddamn it. Anything else?
Logistics manager.
What?
Wait, I have one dead.
Poet!
Is everything okay?
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Yeah, world's worst poet. World's worst poet.
Roses are red.
I was gonna be a poet, but now I'm an improviser, so.
Terrible poet. Terrible poet.
Roses are red. Water is murky. I used my hand and drew a turkey.
Yeah.